I'm Brad Miller, and this is my brand new F-250. Thank you, Rugged Rides.
Fucked up, dude.
I hear it. Oh yeah. All right.
And if you hit like the on button, it will change that. It will hit that,
That's the first time I've seen those when you showed me them.
and then like you can just change the color with these.
Oh, nice. Nice.
But yeah, just make sure it's off whenever you're done. The best $24 you ever spent.
I know it. I know it. Like I said, I bought the smallest package because I spent a lot of money on that C10
Yeah.
and I didn't get nothing. So I was like, I just give them some business and
Yeah, absolutely.
won't think about it again. So, no. Oh, man.
Everyone was like, man, I hope this guy don't answer. We need a repick.
Hey, I'm Brad Miller, and this is my brand new F-250. Thank you, Rugged Rides. Woo!